Jai Swaminarayan. Myself, Kumudini Nalawade, Atmi Green School, Standard 5th, subject GK. So students, I think you are already well prepared for the exam. So before starting to revise our syllabus, I will give you the paper format. Okay? So see properly. 40 मार्क का पेपर है हमारा, टर्म सेकंड. ओके, जीके. तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन होगा टिक द करेक्ट आंसर 5 मार्क्स के. ठीक है. तो मुझे लगता है अब गूगल फॉर्म के एग्जाम हम स्टार्ट मतलब आई थिंक PT1, PT2, PT3 देकर अब सबको समझ में आ गया होगा कि टिक द करेक्ट आंसर हम कैसे सॉल्व करते हैं. ओके. सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज ट्रू और फॉल्स फॉर 5 मार्क्स. Now this third, fourth and sixth question, they are also टिक द करेक्ट आंसर. लेकिन इसमें देखो टिक द करेक्ट आंसर में थोड़ा सा वेरीज भी होगा, जैसे कि पेज नंबर जस्ट 1 सेकंड है. हमारा टर्म सेकंड का सिलेबस सबको पता है ना. तो जैसे पेज नंबर सी फर्स्ट ओके. बिलीव टू द बर्थ प्लेस ऑफ द लॉर्ड रामा इज एंशियंट टाउन इन उत्तर प्रदेश. तो हमें तो पता है पेज नंबर 9 पे ये फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है और इसका आंसर है अयोध्या. लेकिन मैं आपको क्वेश्चन में ऐसे लिखूंगी, बिलीव टू द बर्थ प्लेस ऑफ लॉर्ड रामा इट इज एंशियंट टाउन इन उत्तर प्रदेश. आई विल गिव यू 3 ऑप्शंस, अयोध्या, काशी एंड वाराणसी. तो यू हैव टिक द करेक्ट आंसर. और दूसरी बात है कि दूसरे भी टाइप से जिस तरह से हम क्वेश्चंस पूछ सकते हैं, जैसे these are the first on page number 7, these are the first 8 cities in India to get metro train service like Kolkata, Delhi, Bangalore, Gurugram, Mumbai, dash dash and dash dash. तो हियर जयपुर एंड चेन्नई इज देयर. ओके. तो मैं दूसरे हर दो सिटीज के नाम दे दूंगी. तो आपका जो करेक्ट है वो आपको सिलेक्ट करके टिक करना है. तो टिक द करेक्ट आंसर मतलब सेम फॉर्मेट नहीं होगा इसमें, जैसे एयरपोर्ट और उसके टाउन्स या फिर उनके कोर्स, ये भी आपको टिक करने के लिए आ सकते हैं. या फिर हमने जो मैथमेटिक्स जो रिडल्स खेले थे उसमें भी आ सकता है. देन स्पोर्ट्स हेडलाइंस में है कि ऑन पेज नंबर 65 दैट इज इंडिया वॉन 2016 डैश डैश वर्ल्ड कप इन अहमदाबाद. कबड्डी, खो खो या वॉलीबॉल, तो इट्स कबड्डी. तो इस तरीके से हम टिक द करेक्ट आंसर करेंगे. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट ट्रू फॉल्स. तो आपके मुझे लगता है 1 या 2 चैप्टर पूरा ट्रू फॉल्स में है, तो उसमें से हम 5 करेंगे. ठीक है. देन मैच द फॉलोइंग्स. अब मैच द फॉलोइंग्स में सिटी के नाम या एयरपोर्ट ये भी आ सकता है, या द स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन एंड इन विच ही इज फेमस. ओके. कोई स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन का नाम, जैसे मिथाली राज है, शी इज द बेस्ट ऑलराउंडर और आउटस्टैंडिंग क्रिकेटर, है ना. तो इस तरीके से भी वो आ सकता है. सबको पेपर फॉर्मेट समझ में आया? फाइन. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट रिवाइज द आवर सिलेबस. ओके. Okay, so see, our earth is in trouble. Our world is in trouble. Mentioned here are some of the ways which we are hurting it. Choose the correct word from the options given within the bracket and fill in the blanks. And industrialization या evolution, increasing the we are constructing taller building, factories, roads. This continuous process of buildings leads to disposal or buying of large quantity of waste. So here first will be industrialization and second will be disposal. तो इस तरीके से ये क्वेश्चन हम 2 मार्क्स के लिए भी पूछ सकते हैं. Then Deserts is becoming major problem as more and more areas in the world are turning into desert. They are not necessarily hot, dry and sandy places, but the areas where sand or soil is now useless for growing crops or bushes, such as soils or stores less water or soil, produces less grain even there is enough rain. So it is deforestation, desertification, soil, crops and water. Now next question. Since 1980, experts have noticed that the temperature are rising in the world. This is called global warming. Digest gas is naturally occurring found in the atmosphere. It's ozone, and it absorbs most of the sun's ultraviolet rays, which are harmful to both our plants and animals. It is mostly found in a band called ozone layer, which lies about 50 to 40 km above the Earth's surface. Certain gases used in some perfume, that is air freshener, deodorants, contribute to the destructions. Okay, so let's start to revise the next chapter. Let's save our Earth. Conservation means to preserve, protect the environment, the natural things present in it. Digest means reprocessing, reusing the waste material, it's recycling. Nature efficiency cycles its own waste, including dead plants and animals. This helped by a process is known as decomposition. Okay. Nowadays, in some parts of the world, digest free petrol is being used a lot. It's a lead. Digest is among the world's largest organization working for the protection of the wildlife and our environment. It is World Wildlife Fund. And next, sixth one, some of other ways to save Earth are as follows. Save energy by switching off the light where there is nobody present in the room. Turn off the tap while brushing your teeth. Use bicycle or prefer to walk instead of using car in a short distance. Then do not use harmful digest for washing clothes. It's bleach. Okay. Before to travel in a car, digest the school. It's a pool school. Now our next chapter. Do you know why? So the these are the some statements are given, and its reason we have already discussed in the video, such that we can fly a kite in the air, then we see lightning before we heard the thunder. So I can ask this for the pick the correct answer. जैसे we can fly a kite in the air or water, it's air. Then lemon and sometimes orange are taste in sour or sweet, it is sour. A fresh tomato rots after it keeping out the refrigerator for few days. Then eyes of a cat shines at the night. So I will be asked this question like the eyes of the cat shines at night, noon or morning. It is at night. Leaf changes their color in autumn. We breathe heavily after running, climbing the stairs or exercising. We sometimes hear the cracking of sounds from the door and the wooden furniture in winter. Okay, so let's start our next chapter, that is Science Today. The digest was launched, that is iPad was launched in 2010 by Apple, leading a computer company. It is a tablet computer that plays videos, audios, and that has thousands of applications. MacBook Air launched in 2008 by Apple is a very slim MacBook Air launched in 2008 by Apple is very slim. Laptop is also known as the notebook. Then Skype allows people to communicate by voice, video and instant messaging, share the photos and videos through the internet. And next, as 2017, China has highest number of internet users in the world. Digest and Digest are among the largest social networking site in the world, that is Facebook and Twitter. So this is the information which you have to know about it. Okay.